In this video, we're going to discuss why Velocity Credit Union is the secret to high credit limits. No one is talking about this credit union.
And the wonderful thing about this credit union, anyone can join. So Money Magnets, let's see what products they have to offer and how they can benefit you. The first card is the Platinum MasterCard. Now, the wonderful thing about this particular card is it has 0% interest on balance transfers and purchases for up to 12 months. So if you have a high credit card, a credit card with high interest rates, this would be the great opportunity for you to do a balance transfer and bring that interest rate down. Also, this credit card has a no annual fee. I love cards that don't have an annual fee. We talk about this all the time of finding credit cards, Marvin, that you don't have to pay to hold it in your wallet. I also love that this card regular APR is anywhere from 11.5% to 18%. Now, Money Magnets, we've seen a lot of cards that go all the way up to 28%. So this is an opportunity that you don't want to sleep on. But Marvin, let's see what other benefits this credit union has to offer.
All right, Glory, let's jump into the Platinum Rewards card. With this card, it's 0% for 12 months. You earn 1.5 points for every dollar you spend.
Right.
The limit on these cards go up to 25,000, guys. And like Gloria said, the post introductory rate goes anywhere from 15% to 18%, which is not bad when you look at other credit cards after the 0%. And guys, look, if you have any experience with Velocity Credit Union, make sure you comment below. Also, like and share this video because it helps our channel.
Most definitely. But Marvin, let's talk about the secured MasterCard that they have. Now, we talk a lot about rebuilding credit, Money Magnets, because a lot of times we go through credit repair and then we don't have any credit.
Correct.
But what are you doing to rebuild credit? This credit card right here would be a great credit card that is secured by your funds.
Exactly.
The only thing that I'm a little skeptical about, that I don't like, that there is a $20 annual fee.
Yeah, Gloria, we have a lot of business owners we talk to every day. A lot of them have just come out of credit repair,
right?
But they want to get business funding. I'm here to tell you guys, you got to rebuild your credit first. Don't always focus on the negative items. Think about rebuilding and getting new credit. That's what's going to help your score. And revolving credit is really going to help you. And look, guys, if you want to raise up to $250,000 for your business, make sure you look in the description below and get a free business strategy call with Gloria and myself.
Okay, now Marvin, let's not forget, with this secured MasterCard, the interest rate is 14.99% on balance transfer and 16.99% on cash advances. But you shouldn't be doing a cash advance on this card. This card is most definitely for you to reestablish yourself and reestablish your credit. But let's go over to the loans and see what they have to offer, because those go up to 40,000.
Exactly. All right, Gloria, the great thing about their personal loans, they go up to $40,000 and you can finance them up to 60 months. That's a long time. And the interest rate is not bad. It's around 10.4%, which is not bad for today's interest rates. And they got the line of credit that goes up to $20,000. And remember, guys, with the line of credit, you can use it, pay it off, charge it up again without having to reapply. With the personal loan, the only downside is the moment you accept the loan, you start paying interest that day. But the good thing about it is you have a set payment for a set amount of time.
Most definitely. And Marvin, also with the loan, the wonderful thing about it is because it goes up to 40,000, if you're looking to consolidate some debt, this would be a good opportunity for you to grab one of these loans. That also will bring your utilization down
to make your credit score grow up.
Most definitely.
And if you're looking to start a business, look, it's nothing wrong with taking out a personal loan to initially fund your business. I know everybody's crazy about business funding, but what we're seeing with a lot of business owners that contact us, you got to work on your personal credit, guys. There's nothing wrong with taking a personal loan as an installment. Also getting a secure card for the revolving. Now you have different types of credit that you're using. And if you got a mortgage, now you're going to have a great credit score.
Most definitely. It's about getting yourself in position. I know, Money Magnets, you see a lot of different information on here about business credit and business funding. but you have to get yourself in position. But let's move over to the car loans and see what they have on the auto side.
Yeah, the good thing about the auto loans, if you want a new car, it goes up to 84 months, which is a long time, to have a loan on a car, and it gives you a cheaper payment. Now, in the used cars, you're only looking at about 72 months. But still, this is not bad, guys. And if you sign up for their member rewards program, you get a discount on the interest rate.
Okay, Marvin, I'm going to keep poking Marvin until I get my new car. So I'm going to keep writing down every bank that we talk about so that I can see who has the best terms to fit our situation.
All right, Gloria, I know you want that car, but they also have recreational loans. That's what I'm into. I want that scooter like I had when we were in Tulum for 30 days. And they got watercraft loans. They have scooter loans, trailer loans, just about any kind of loan you want on a recreational vehicle.
Okay, Money Magnets, we have a client that owns a fleet of yachts.
Yes.
And this would be a great opportunity for him to get, add to what he already has.
And then keep in mind, guys, anyone can join this credit union.
Yes.
They do pull TransUnion. So keep that in mind. I make sure I got a 700 credit score on my TransUnion. Less than 3 inquiries in the last 90 days for your best chances of getting approved. And also keep in mind, they'll probably look at your Chexsystems. And remember, it's only $10 to join the Paramount Theater Association so that you can become a member.
And also, Money Magnets, you want to make sure that you don't have any freezes or fraud alerts on your credit. That's really important because we see a lot of people get denied. Even though the bank may call you and verify you, they still don't feel comfortable with lending to you because you have that fraud alert on your credit.
And be prepared, guys, to show your proof of income, at least 2 pay stubs in case they ask. Credit unions are notorious about getting proof of income. Just make sure you're prepared before you actually join.
Money Magnets, also keep in mind, they not only just pull Chexsystems, some credit unions pull what they call early warning.
Right.
That is just like Chexsystem. It serves the same purpose.
And if you've not ordered these reports or you don't know what we're talking about, look, make sure you check the description below. I'll leave a link to Chexsystems and early warning. It's just a safety measure to make sure that you get approved, guys.
Okay, Marvin, let's tell them about the mortgages.
Yes, they also offer conventional loans, jumbo loans, and you can refinance your home. And a lot of times people may start their business out by using a home equity loan or refinance their house to get the capital to start your business. Or maybe you want a home improvement loan so that you can redo your bathroom or redo your kitchen. This credit union is great for any of that, guys. And remember, if you want to raise up to $250,000 for your business, make sure you reserve a free business strategy call in the description below.
But hold up, Marvin, because I have a gem.
What you got, Glow?
Okay, Money Magnets, if you want to see another credit union that nobody's talking about, check out this next video.
I'm Mr. Smith.
And I'm Mrs. Smith.
And we're here to help empower your finances.